Hi, this is from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our students got based in a company, so she is going to share her experience.
So hi, my name is VIBHA B R. I'm in BE in Information Science and Engineering, passed out year 2024. I chose a course of full stack development in Python. I was joined to PySpiders Rajajinagar in September month. My very first class was Python, which was taken with HP Vatsal. And during the Python classes, the skill classes were started, which was taken by Murli Vatsal. And then after finishing Python, I was directed to China class, and then web classes. China classes taken by Excel, so web class were taken by Vatsal. So the overall experiences were very good, and all the trainers were very friendly and helped me out in improving my skills and getting into the IT field.
So which are all the input activities?
The activities like doing presentation, boot camps, and then giving mocks to the trainers after every part of syllabus was completed. Then another helped in planning the actual interview. Mainly the aptitude class was very helpful because that first one was aptitude, so that clear and that was very helpful.
So congratulations.
Thank you.